Alright, here comes Q217-10 Toast Lemonade Wood, if I heard right. I know he's on 2 truck now. So he should be coming up. He just called wood. So because the single wood is past that the silver beam, or what do you call it. So he's coming up, like, should be coming up like now, sort of. Ain't too loud. Please move to the doors.
Southside 217, marker on the rig. CSX DC, change stack range, over. DC track foreman John Pretty, copy over. Track foreman, over.
Here he comes.
17 is west of us here at 2045. Looking to see if I can get blocking on number 2 track between Sherwood and Lombard, so I can...
How many of them does he have?
How long you need, man? Should be able to have it done by noon time, an hour and 10 minutes. CSX Equipment Defect Detector. Milepost 2.6. Track 2. No defects. No defects. Total axle 408. End of transmission.
Alright guys, I don't know when the next train's coming, but I gotta cheat myself a little bit, so I am going back to G-Bug for a little bit until about 1 or 2 o'clock ish, somewhere around now. If you're wondering what this spot is, It's the name of this dealership that I'm at. Chris Wall. And so you're looking for a Dodge Ram, like one in front of me, or one of those kinds of Chargers or the Jeeps or any kind of car. Come down here, they're way happier, or close by to the one in Wattville. Same thing, they got Dodge Rams and all that stuff. Alright, see you guys next time.